So today I did a thing and went on a date day with one of the most extraordinary people. And the focus was on me, just treating me the way that I have called for it to be treated, and do some of the things that I enjoy. And kick the day off with um, a nice massage, okay? Homegirl, sister girl had gifted hands with the hot stones. I really needed that. And then I did something I ain't did in a minute, honey. Didn't even think that I was gonna do it, but I did it anyway. I went and got in somebody's movie theater, honey. Sure did. I couldn't tell you the last time I actually did that. Went to go see went to the show to see Sarah's Oil. Eh, you know. Um and I know, like, for most people it's like, well, that ain't all that. But it's the simple things sometimes, right? And then the goal was to go out to eat afterwards. And it's late, so I've reached my limit. And those of you that know me know that I do not play when it comes time for me to wind down and get into my comfort zone. Okay? So I am getting it to go. And I'm heading home from a beautiful day. And I'm not saying this to brag. I really am not. But to whomever needs to hear this, that extraordinary person is me. Yes, I took myself on a date. So the message is this: show up for yourself first before anybody else. Because you set the tone of how the realms will respond. And the person that you are calling in, your like energy, you set the tone of how you are choosing to be treated, right? And that doesn't start when you get the person. I said this before. Get out there and show up for yourself. Show up for yourself. You deserve it, baby. Don't wait around. Go treat yourself. Go do whatever it is honey, go take the vacation. Go take a trip. Go get on the train ride. Do something. But that is the message. That is the message. Show up for you. Go do the things that you enjoy doing. Feel great. Be great. Get that energy up to what you desire to see and feel. Don't wait around, baby. No. Enjoy this journey. Your journey.